Damn bean. Come on, man.
She said she loves me.
You don't love me.
She said she trusts me.
She
She said she wants me.
want me.
But nobody wants to listen to me. She said she loves me.
You love me.
She said she trusts me.
You trust me?
She said she wants me.
Whoa.
But nobody wants to listen to me. I know.
Any broad that put up with me is a champion. This I admit, hey, but that's my shit. I'm a creature of a different habit. I see something out there, I like it, I grab it. More or less stab it. Feel some type of way, I will cab it. And for my sins, I'll probably have all girls and be a beast of a dad. Nah, I won't be that bad. Listen, everyone has a position, a job, and a title. To me, that's vital. She must be highly educated, and I don't need no broad that act medicated. She must be able to keep her home, make her play the greens look sexy, and